Hello everybody, my name is Youssef, and today I'm going to show you how to find keywords by using Ahrefs. Ahrefs is an SEO software suite that contains tools for link building, keyword research, competitor analysis, rank tracking, and site audits. It is a subscription-based software or a tool that you can use. Once you log into your account, you will get to the dashboard that kind of looks like this. Once you get to the dashboard, if you want to do a keyword analysis, or if you want to look up keywords for your ad campaign, for your posts, articles, you start your research by clicking on Keyword Explorer, and when you get to this page, you choose basically where you want to have an in-depth analysis or an in-depth keyword analysis. Is it Google, YouTube, Amazon, Bing, Yahoo? For now, we're just gonna stick to Google. We're gonna, try to find keywords that we can use. So let's just start the example. So we're gonna look into the leather boots industry. We're gonna pretend that we have a boots e-commerce store, and we want to look for keywords that we can use. So by hitting search, you'll get to this page, which kind of discloses a lot of information on the actual keyword. It shows you the keyword that we enter, leather boots, has got a keyword difficulty of 17. This score goes from 0 to 100. The higher the number, the more difficult it is to target that keyword. And you can also see the volume of the keyword is, in this case, it's 23,000 visitors. And then if you're looking for more ideas, more keywords to choose from, because this is industry-based keyword or a niche, but we want to find more keywords that are related to this seed keyword or the main keyword that we put in, and then we will choose a relevant keyword that suits our needs, and to do that, you click on related terms, and that will bring you to this page. As you can see here, this page has got 382 keywords that are kind of within the leather boots category, if you will, and they're all listed here. So our goal is to basically find keywords that have low KD score, keyword difficulty score, and high volume. And ideally, our keyword, we want it to be a medium tail keyword, a keyword that consists of 3 to 4 words. Normally, medium tail keywords come with low or medium keyword difficulty score, as well as a decent volume. So that's what we're gonna try to look for. You can sort your keywords here based off of volume. It's gonna take a minute to calculate, from low volume to high volume, or you can choose from high volume to low volume, and you can also choose to have your keyword results display based off of keyword difficulty score. As you can see, this goes from high to low. We've got some pretty difficult ones to rank for, like this one here, lady leather boots. It has got a 99 KD score, which is pretty high. Actually, it's very high. But as you can see, the volume here, it's only 250, which doesn't justify, in my opinion, why would you chase a keyword that has got such high volume, such low volume but high KD? You're just wasting your time. But if you look at here, women's boot, it's a keyword. It's not medium tail. It's consists only of 2 words. It's broad, but it has got a decent KD score and high volume of 1,000 visitors per month. So that is something that we might consider if we have boots for women, or if you want to write an article about it. So I like it. Volume is from high to low, and then that way I navigate through the KD score. Let's say we're still looking for keywords to use for our boots example. Here, black leather boots, it's a very, very good keyword to use in this case. It has got a low KD score of 9, which is very low, and also it's got a high volume of 13,000 visitors. This keyword definitely, in this hypothetical scenario, we will target because of the dynamics that it has. 9 KD score and 13,000 in volume. That's a pretty good keyword to have on the list, and it consists of three words. Women's leather boots is also another one that we can add. It's got a low KD score, although it's not as low as the black leather boots, but it's relatively low. It's still below 60, which is the range that I like, and it's got 9,000 in search traffic, which is decent, but it's obviously lower than the previous one. So black leather boots in this case is considered a more attractive keyword to use and less competitive, and has got higher traffic than the one below it, women's leather boots. Just to give you an idea. But yeah, you just go through the list and then you choose the ones that are relevant to your product, to your ad campaign, or relevant to your blog post or sales page, and choose to target them, and add them to the list. You just add it to the list, and then this list will be with you on the dashboard, and you can visit it whenever you want. You can take the keywords from there, implement them into your blog post, article, or into your ad campaign. So there you have it. This is how you look up keywords by using Ahrefs. I have included a link to Ahrefs in the description section. Check it out. You might get a deal. If you liked this video and enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to our channel.